Deoxyribonucleic acid, otherwise known as DNA, is basically the cookbook for all living things. Every single cell in our body has the exact same DNA, so whenever we leave any behind, it can be traced directly to us.
All the cells in the body contain exactly the same DNA. Samples can be taken from almost anywhere in the body, such as skin, blood, and other bodily fluids. First, the DNA is isolated from the cells and millions of copies are made using a method called polymerase chain reaction, or PCR. PCR uses a naturally occurring enzyme to copy a specific stretch of DNA over and over again. The DNA molecules are then split at particular locations to separate them into known chunks, and code at those specific points is analyzed to create a DNA fingerprint. The fingerprints from the two different samples are then compared to see if they match.
Before DNA analysis was invented, crime was solved based on fingerprints from crime scenes. The problem with this was that criminals just avoided being caught altogether by wearing gloves or wiping down different surfaces. DNA can be collected from anything and anywhere. This is a challenge for criminals because they have to avoid leaving behind any type of biological substance, such as saliva, hair, sweat, skin, earwax, or mucus. DNA fingerprinting and profiling was invented for the use of criminal investigation by Alec Jeffreys, a British scientist. One of the first investigations that used DNA fingerprinting techniques was to link semen stain samples collected from two rapes/murders that occurred 3 years apart in 1983 and 1986 in a small village in the UK. The end result linked the two crimes and secured the conviction of the perpetrator, Colin Pitchfork, but also exonerated an innocent man of the murders and led to the first DNA profiling used in criminal investigation. DNA can be analyzed to find out if an individual is biologically related to another person. DNA analysis is also used to identify human remains in criminal investigation and/or for archaeological research. And furthermore, DNA can also be analyzed to determine genetic links to diseases.
The first DNA analysis techniques needed large quantities of fairly high-quality DNA. However, newly procedures can produce DNA resulting with a much smaller, lower quality samples and in a much shorter time period. Techniques have also been developed to extract usable DNA from difficult to access or contaminated sources. At present, the forensics DNA technology directly affects the lives of millions. The acceptance of this technique is still high. Reports of DNA identification of victims of 9/11 terrorist attack, of natural disaster as Hurricane Katrina, and of recent war. Much cheaper DNA sequencing technology has allowed genetic testing to become a tool not only for the doctors but for the people. Genetic testing has become entertainment, with companies offering tests for ancestry, athletic abilities, sleep habits, and much more. The cost of DNA analysis, as you can see with the table, it ranges from $450 all the way to $1,150. It can be pretty pricey depending on what you want to do with the DNA analysis.